Yeah. Fuck.
Oh,
Oh, they're coming after me, they're coming after me!
I'm dead. Fuck.
Stefan's dead. Stefan's
They're in
dead.
the fuck! Critical injury, fuck!
Stefan, run out. Get out of there. Get out of there.
The bees are in the fucking ship!
Stefan, this demands a sacrifice from one of us.
Alright, so what do I do? Just jump in front and then lead them away?
Yeah, make sure they're still attacking you. Yeah. Alright. So jump in, distract them, and then run.
Right, they're right down here, huh?
Yes.
Oh, fuck!
Fuck.
It's so stupid.
We can't even get into the damn thing. Can't. I don't know what to do. I quite simply don't know what to do. Yep. God damn it.
Dude, we should just.
That's
Like,
so fucked.
oh my god.
God damn it. We lost all of our shit.